So for using this feature, you cannot use your YouTube app. You need to open YouTube and Google Chrome. But then still, it does not make any difference. So what is the secret? Well, it's in front of you, but most of y'all don't know it. So click the corner button and then the box near desktop site. And now you will see your YouTube page will turn into a page you normally see in your computers. So now when you zoom in and click the channel icon, you'll see this page which you normally see in the computers. And also you can go to the Creator Studio and edit your stuff right from your mobile. So guys, that's how you can have the desktop version of YouTube in your Android without downloading any third-party application. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.